This session is going to discuss how you use the MJC library from home to get the articles that you need for your debate paper. So this is the library's homepage. If you just go mjc.edu, click on right here at the library, the stack of books. That will take you to the Library and Learning Center, and it'll say where you also find articles and databases. Click on articles and databases, and that will take you to this page, and the Gale Reference Library, Gale Databases, and EBSCOhost are all great databases for you to use. So you can click on any one of those, put in the topic that you're doing, and multiple articles will come up. When you get to EBSCOhost, here it is, Moral Decline in America. Put in your search topic and you will see that all of these things come up. Trump election is a sign of America's moral decline. Some of you may agree with that and some of you may not. So that's how you get the articles from home, and I believe your login for the MJC library is your 6-digit birth date. If it's not, you might have to call the library and find out what your login is, but you are able to use the library just by virtue of being an MJC student. So we have lots of resources to ensure your success in this class. Please use them because I'd love to see you all complete the course with a great grade. You have the syllabus. I have a long syllabus because I tried to cover all the questions that students have asked me over the 40 years I've been teaching. So I hope that you'll go to your syllabus first for everything. You have our Canvas course site with example papers on it. My office hours, when we get on campus, I am available to you right before our class from 8:30 to 9:15, and right after our class from 11 to 12:30, and by appointment after my last class ends at 3:45. So please email me, let me know you want to come in, or just drop by so I can work with you. We have a tutor center in our library, and you just go in and tell them what kind of tutoring you need. You take in your assignment, bring your syllabus, have the tutor be able to read the directions in your syllabus for your paper, and then the tutor will help you put the paper together. They will help you find resources. Ask the librarians. They're like little data detectives. They love to help you find your sources. If you show the librarian what your topic is, he or she will help you get your 4 sources. Then a tutor will help you get the writing done. If you show them the template that I gave you that you're supposed to fill in, you will have everything you need for them to help you. We also have a student disabilities office. If you find that assignments like this are a challenge, or reading or preparing for your classes in any way is a challenge, please make up an appointment in our disabilities office to be checked to see if there's kind of a challenge for you as a learner. I suggest use your fellow students in a study group or a study buddy. It can really help you to be accountable to each other, because 2 heads are better than 1, and it makes it more fun to study with someone else. The texts are resources for you. All the texts for all of our classes at this college are supposed to be in the library. We had a president that made that a requirement, and I thought that was great. So the text, like I mentioned, for this debate are in the library, and again, I have a couple copies in my office you might be able to borrow. When we get into class on February 4th, we're going to create success teams, and that might be your study team. This is a group of people that you'll get to know that will take notes for you in your absence, maybe email you or text you about what you might have missed, or check up on you if you have not been there for a while. Okay? So that's about everything I can think of to tell you for success on your debate papers. I hope you will attempt to get started, and if you have more questions, please email me. I wish you the best of luck in putting it together in less than an hour. I know you can do it.